Hi, new friends. They gather around to see their new friends. They're like, what is going on? Good morning. Good morning. Good morning to you too. Why are they going to the door to get the hay? Macho, relax. They're gonna attack me. Not really. They're not gonna attack me. They're just gonna try to jump in here. Move, Pam. That's all right. I'm gonna let my friend out. Move, Pam. Oh my gosh. You hear them at the door, so I got the hay. Let's see if I can make it to their house. Go home. You know where to go. Move, Pam. I mean, yeah, that is Pam. It's always Pam. Walk, you guys. They led the way. Thought I was recording, but I wasn't. Anyway, we have bags for them, but they are so, you have to give them some inside this first to get them off your back. And now that they're off my back, I can fill up their bags. Okay, I'll be back. Now they're satisfied. And they will eat all day. After eating all their hay, they will chew on leaves and whatever else, grubs, whatever else they eat. Now for the pigs. Now have a friend follow me. Stop, yo-yo. Going to feed the pigs. They're not gonna come out until I leave. They're back there. Y'all had a good night's sleep? We have water. Say hi. Get out, yo-yo. You're not coming in here. Why you run, Shug? You don't want yo-yo to bother you? Say hi, friend. I want to give you some food. Let's see if they come out. They're gonna wait till I leave to eat. Here comes one. Here comes one. And not Shug acting like he can't get back around this fence. Shug, if you don't get back around this fence. Oh, there goes one. You better come out. Well, he eats all the, the two girls, before she eats all the food. Here she comes. I guess she told her it's safe. Sure, you better come eat before they eat all this hay from you. coming. They're eating. I knew they was gonna eat. They were just waiting for me to leave. There you go, Chores. You know they will eat all that hay from you. Okay, now let's do the chickens. Here comes that mean rooster. Y'all thirsty? Anybody left? Drink up. I'm gonna toss their food out, so I'm just gonna rake some of these leaves from the section where I'm gonna toss their food, even though they can eat their food through it, but just make it easier. Also can toss it over there. Why are you chasing that rooster? Not Ruru chasing RJ. RJ is so much bigger than Ruru, but Ruru's older. So let me throw this food out. I'm watching you too, RJ. I don't know if you picked up some of Ruru's habits. I don't trust him, so. Alright. You gotta go eat. I'm gonna throw some there and throw some here. With the hopes of less fighting. But as you can see, well, one's going over there. Get away from me. See, y'all see that? I said I don't trust him. He picked up some of Ruru's habits. Get. I told you I didn't trust him. Get. My son usually be up here doing these chickens now. Alright. They have their food. Next up, the turkeys. And look who came out after my attack. Well, almost attack. So the turkeys, look at them, they're ready to come out. They are so big. Oh my gosh. So what I'm gonna do is toss their food out and then open the gate. If I can get this open with one hand before my minute is up. So. They're gonna be going to the butcher soon, so. Minute's up. Let them out. Look how big they are. Oh my gosh. They barely could get out the door. Look, they already broke the door. We have to fix it. My son helps them out if they don't get out, but for the most part, they get out. That must be the biggest. Come on, you can do it. Okay. They go to the butcher's on Saturday. He will do the water. Everybody's happy. Thanks for doing farm chores with us. Blessings. Bye.